Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to see what you can do if you want to withdraw your funds from PrizePicks to Apple Pay. So a PrizePicks policy is that you can only deposit funds from Apple Pay. You won't be able to withdraw funds. So the only workaround to that could be that you first of all withdraw your funds into an approved payment method and then somehow from there you try to withdraw those funds in Apple Pay if you need that money in Apple Pay. Due to their policy of PrizePicks of not allowing withdrawals in Apple Pay, this is for now, unfortunately, the only thing that you can do. You can also contact their help support, but if you want to normally withdraw, you'll simply just go to their menu, which is located in the top left corner of your PrizePicks app. If you're accessing this from your account on browser, the menu will be on the top right corner. From there, you will simply select request withdrawal and you will go through a method that is approved, such as a bank account, PayPal account, or debit card that you have previously used to deposit funds into your PrizePicks account. From there, you can work around and try to deposit that cash in Apple Pay, and you can also, of course, contact their support. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.